universe, a story written in darkness. Before you continue listening, take a moment and look around. Everything you see, everything you touch, every memory you have ever experienced, every person you have ever loved, every city, every ocean, every mountain, every civilization in human history, all of it exists on a tiny planet orbiting an ordinary star. And that star is only one among hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy. Our galaxy itself is only one among billions of galaxies scattered across a universe so vast that the human mind struggles to comprehend it. Yet despite centuries of discovery, the most honest answer science can give about the universe is surprisingly simple. We do not know. We know far less than we would like to believe. Humanity has walked on the moon, split the atom, and built telescopes capable of looking billions of years into the past. We have discovered the laws that govern gravity, motion, electricity, and light. But the deeper we look into reality, the stranger reality becomes. Scientists estimate that everything we can directly observe, stars, planets, gas clouds, galaxies, and even our own bodies, makes up only a small fraction of the universe. The rest remains invisible. We call it dark matter. We call it dark energy. But these names are not explanations. They are labels attached to mysteries. Imagine discovering an enormous locked door in the middle of a desert. Writing the word door on it does not tell you what lies behind it. The universe is filled with doors like this. Perhaps nowhere is this more obvious than in black holes. For centuries they existed only in mathematics. Today we know they are real. A black hole is a region of space where gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape. Not a spaceship, not a signal, not even light itself. At its boundary lies the event horizon, a point of no return. Cross it, and the outside universe disappears forever. Inside, our understanding of physics begins to break apart. Space bends, time slows. The rules we rely on no longer behave as expected. Some theories suggest that information can never truly be destroyed. Others suggest that black holes may connect distant regions of space, or perhaps even entirely different universes. The truth is that nobody knows, and that uncertainty is both terrifying and beautiful. Because mystery is not a flaw in science. Mystery is the reason science exists. Every answer leads to another question. Every discovery reveals a deeper darkness beyond it. And perhaps the most unsettling question is not what exists in the universe, but what the universe itself actually is. Is reality exactly as it appears, or is there something hidden beneath the surface? Some physicists have proposed that space and time may not be fundamental. Others suggest that reality emerges from information itself. Some even ask whether our universe could be a simulation, a vast system operating according to rules we have only begun to discover. Maybe that idea is wrong. Maybe it is right. What matters is that we still do not know enough to dismiss it completely. The deeper we explore, the more we realize how little we understand. Yet among all these mysteries, one remains greater than the rest: consciousness. The fact that atoms formed stars, stars created heavier elements, those elements formed planets, and on at least one of those planets matter somehow became aware of itself. You, a conscious observer capable of asking questions about existence, capable of looking into the darkness and wondering what lies beyond it. Perhaps that is the universe's greatest achievement, or perhaps its greatest mystery. Because the universe does not simply surround us, we are part of it. The atoms in your body were forged inside ancient stars that died billions of years ago. In a very real sense, the universe is observing itself through your eyes. And tonight, as you listen to these words, remember this: we live on a small world, drifting through an ocean of cosmic darkness. We know more than any generation before us, yet we remain surrounded by questions. Questions about dark matter, Questions about black holes, questions about consciousness, questions about the origin of reality itself, and somewhere beyond the edge of our knowledge, beyond the reach of our telescopes, beyond the limits of imagination, more mysteries are waiting, silent, ancient, hidden in the darkness between the stars, waiting for the day we finally discover them, or perhaps waiting for the day they discover us.